So what happens is that, we train ourselves like this. Like, I remember in my first job, second job, I had to go for a Reiki in the morning. I had to be in the office on a certain time. I would put my clock on my phone, and I would wake up much way before the clock would even happen to me. So the alarm would go off, and I would wake up before that, looking at my clock. Yeah, मैं 2 घंटे पहले उठ गई हूँ. So that's the time I realized that I didn't need a wake up clock. The same was in my school when I was living in a hill station. I had to wake up my friends. We had to go for our tuitions and stuff. And I had this thing about waking up everybody. And I realized that I would wake up again without a clock. And that's the time I realized that you don't need a clock. It's just this thing in our head which is being put in by people or by parents or by maybe the next generation or the generation above. Why don't you put on an alarm clock just in case you don't wake up and stuff? It's happened to me that I've kind of once or twice not woken up because of whatever reasons, and that's where only the alarm clock has helped me. Now coming back to the actual point of should you wake up with a clock in the morning? You should not wake up with a clock in the morning. We're not talking about an alarm clock. We're talking about a clock in the morning which wakes you up every day. So when you have to wake up in the morning every day, your body must have its own regular clock of waking you up. You have to kind of take control of your clock, your body thing of waking up on time and stuff. And once in a while, not even wake up on time and, kind of play around with your body and see how flexible it can be and stuff. Because I find that certain people who've been exercising only at a certain time in the morning, if they've not gone for that walk or if they've not done their exercise in the morning, then the body is gone in a negative loop. So what happens? They discontinued their morning walk. They've not gone for a run. So now what happens? They become more short tempered. They become irritated very easily. They become angered very easily and stuff. And the moment they kind of get back to it, they are much normal and they are much more calmer and stuff. This is because obviously scientific, right? You've done something for 20 years or 30 years at a certain time, and suddenly you don't do this. So your body is not going to kind of feel good about it. So what's very important is to kind of think about it in a fashion that if you're discontinuing with something, or if you're making a change, or you're kind of deviating from a habit and you're leaving the older habit and you're coming into a new habit, you have to be watchful, or you have to be mindful about what you're doing and how it's responding. This is where people get it wrong. They don't wash themselves. Note down the changes and stuff, or if you have family members around you, they can help you note it and stuff. Like I've done this so many times. I've made a note of people in my gym and I've told them there's something different about you. And when we've gotten talking and stuff, we figured out that they've changed something, and probably as a result of that, either they are better or they're not doing that great because of whatever exercising or whatever personal change they've had in their own life or their situation and stuff. So coming back to the clock part of it, you have to get out of this habit of waking up on an alarm clock. An alarm clock is only useful when you have to wake up on certain days. Otherwise, let your body do the work. I thought I'm not going to be waking up with an alarm clock. I tried this 3-4 days back. I put an alarm clock for 6:30. I was up at 4. Now for the last 2-3 days, I'm waking up without an alarm clock. My body doesn't need an alarm clock because it already knows psychologically that I have to wake up. So 2-3 things which really help you big time. So first is exercise ना करने से better exercise करना. And ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ gym में जाए. Go for a walk, go for a run, climb the steps, and even if you clean up your room, you clean up your wardrobe, you do up your bed sheets, or you shift the furniture, or whatever, even a home chore, that's also as good as pushing your body and stuff. It helps. And secondly, nappuccino, coffee. Yes, coffee is getting cold. Yeah, nappuccino, coffee helps. I do not know if I'm going to sleep or not, but coffee definitely helps, right? And number 3 is skipping this thing of clocks in the night and stuff and waking up on a clock. 3 tips, try them. They definitely work. And Another thing which I really realized on an alarm clock is you do not need an alarm clock to tell you that you have to go and exercise. Your body will give you that signal, right? So jkapani@gmail.com, justinKapani.im@gmail.com, and justinKapani.im@gmail.com. Those are my email addresses. Thanks for your watching views, and thank for your likes and compliments. Yeah, I didn't know this. I would get compliments on my voice and singing and stuff and all that. These are all very like what do you call, spontaneous and stuff, unplanned and stuff. Thank you so much. They mean so much to me. And suddenly I see the views have gone up like anything here. So that means a lot. And I totally appreciate your energies and your efforts. I do not reply to people who I don't know, they're messaging me. So I'm not going to reply on that. So please understand this, that if I don't know you and we've not met, I may not even reply. But if you look like a true person and a real personality to me, I might write into you and stuff, and vice versa, right? That works, okay? So love you, luck, and take care and have fun, have a blast. Remember, not exercising is not a good idea. Exercising is a good idea. Number two, including cappuccino, including coffee or green tea, a very good idea. And number three, try skipping, keeping a check on your watch all the time, so that you can be flexible and you can be free in the mind, and you're not like a slave to a clock about things you have to do. It's good to be structured, it's good to be disciplined, but it's a very good idea to be flexible. That really works. Try it. Love and luck, and take care. And this is me without my makeup and everything and all. So I mean, it's okay. I mean, be your natural self and accept yourself the way you are, because it helps to be a real person. So love and luck, and take care. Hakuna Matata, and cheers. Bye bye. Love and luck. Thank you for writing in. Bye bye.